We're going to be unboxing the Legacy Classic Catwoman. So as you can see, the box arrived in excellent condition. I'm very happy with this. However, we're not going to worry about that today because it's an unboxing, not a reboxing. It's actually, believe it or not, much more expensive to hire someone to repaint a box than it is to repaint the action figure, which actually decreases the value anyway, according to some, and increases it according to others. So who knows who is telling the truth? So as you can see, it's not really putting up that much of a fight, which is a shame because I like to really have to go to battle with these things, you know. You know, it's always satisfying to have a box that kind of challenges you a little bit and just, you know, makes you. Oh, it's open anyway, isn't it? So, let's see here. We got the cape sticking through. She's wearing panties. That's a disappointment. I'm gonna have to only be able to give this 3 stars just for that. So, let's take a look at what we got here. I'm disappointed that there are no strings holding her in there of any sort. Oh wait, they tricked me. They used the invisible ones. You see that? Those tricky, chinky devils. I didn't say that. Ah, there we go. So that's very nice. But look at her stand. Check it. It's got the bat emblem on it. Why does it have the bat emblem on it? It's Catwoman. It even says Catwoman. But anyway, this is like the real deal.
The one important thing in this unboxing.
Exactly, the rubber band. I've never seen one so small. But, you know, I got what I wanted out of the figure. I got this neat little picture. So, overall, I'd say it was how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'd say it was a good 12 weebs out of 15. And that was my unboxing Catwoman Classic video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share to get more custom action figures that are actually part of main development.